Get in your bag, stay in your bag. She don't want
She don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cavell. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a heat press that was sent to me by Vevor. So they do have a website and also have a storefront on Amazon. So I'm gonna link in the description of this exact heat press that was sent to me by Vevor. So we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna try it out. So it is a flat heat press that was sent to me. I've never used a heat press before. This will be my first time. So we're gonna get straight into the video right now. So I'm gonna just start by opening the box. So it has a little user manual for the heat press, and given that this is a new territory for me, I think I should read the instructions. I don't generally read them, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna read the instructions. Okay, and then it has a little foam. Oh, there's some more things in here. So there is a screwdriver as well as a little wrench. And then that looks to be like a handle with 2 screws as well. Okay, that's about it. And I'll just tip it to the side. It's pretty heavy. I'll just tip it to the side here so you can see what it looks like all packaged up. Oh. So that's what it looks like inside of the package. I'm gonna just get this out of the box and then lay it on the table, and then I'll come right back. 1 second, because I don't want you guys to see me struggle with this. So if you have an extra body, get somebody to help you lift it, because it does say team lift and it is a bit heavy. Okay, so I have it out the box, and we're just gonna take out all the plastic. Okay, we don't need that. And this strap. Okay, and the cord. Not very long, so you may want to get closer to a power source, but I won't plug that in just yet. Okay. Maybe this is the time where I read the instructions. Okay, connect the power supply and
parameter settings. Nope. Cleaning and maintenance of product. Please read instructions carefully before using the equipment. Okay, gives you the model. Connect the machine to the power supply. Yeah.
okay. That's how you pull it up. So pressing it down. Just like that. And then up like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna get in a little bit closer. So that's the plate here, surface here, and then this side is just a flat little, and this is just a little foam piece kind of mat that you're just laying your thing on. So pretty straightforward. And I'm just trying to see because there was some clamps. So okay, so the handle does go on this side. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on the handle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. She don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, she don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on.
Pretty straightforward. This little knob here is the one that is used to create the tension, so you can turn it you know, depending on how stiff you want that to be. So I'm just bringing you guys a little bit up close and personal. So it does have a little warning plate here just in terms of the temperature, that it gets really hot. I did already plug it in. Up here you have your temperature and the up and down with like the timer, so that way you're able to set that. And then this is your power on off button, so we are going to turn it on right now. So that's how you flip it on. So once you flip it on, it comes up. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna check what the setting is. So we're gonna test out making a shirt. Halloween is coming up, so I figured, hey, let's make a shirt. Okay, so that was like a 10-second timer. Oh. And then I lift it up, so it is heating up like right now, but as I said, I'm gonna double check the temperature for the shirt that I'm gonna be using, and then we're gonna test this out. Okay, so based on this instruction guide, t-shirt, there's more than one like little setting, but I think that like that non-cotton, it is a cotton shirt. So we're gonna try this 338 Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. So we're gonna test that out and see. So we're gonna start by adjusting our temp. Oh, we're gonna bring it down to 338, I said. Okay, so 338, and that is set, but it's gonna keep going up just so it can get to that 338. And then for our timer, so you just hit on the timer, and then we're gonna bump that up to 25 seconds. Okay, perfect. So that is set. We're gonna wait for the temperature to get hot, and then we'll get into our pressing. Okay, so that's the cotton shirt that we're going to be using. That's just a white shirt that I picked up. I think I got it at Walmart. So we're just going to put that on the bed. And please, guys, be mindful because this thing is hot. So you're just going to spread it in where you want. Okay, make sure it's lined up properly. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first just press it, get all the wrinkles out. It's just a quick thing. You can tell the timer started, but and then once I just lift up the clamp, the timer just goes back to the 25 settings, but once I put the clamp down, it starts to do the counting down. So now that I did press the shirt out a bit, so for my design, I just tried to do a really quick like print and cut design, and my lettering didn't work out that great, because I should have done one big flap for that portion, which I didn't. So let me just pick up my design. Okay, so that's what my design is, as it's a little pumpkin for Halloween. So I'm just gonna peel that off here. Okay, and then I am going to lay my design. So you just want to line it up exactly how you want it to lay. So there, it's laying flat. And I have a few like little, they're supposed to be black bats, but they're super tiny. And I'm just gonna place them in just some random spots here.
Oh yeah.
Now that we have the design all laid out, the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some parchment paper. I'm gonna just lay that over it, just like so. I think everything is in place that I want it to be. The temperature is set 338, and then we are just going to press that down. Okay. And we wait for the timer. I kind of feel like I'm doing it for too long, this 25 seconds. But, you know, it's my first time. I can always go back and just tweak anything if I need to. And this will be like my first shirt that I'm pressing. So let's see. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. And then we lift. Okay, so I have lifted that off, and then I'm just gonna peel that away. This is what it looks like. It's a little hot, but this is so smooth. I really like that. Like, that looks amazing. Okay, so I want to give a special thank you to Vevor for sending over this heat press. Honestly, super straightforward to use. I did not have any problems as well. There was not much in terms of a setup other than just putting on the handle, as you could see from what I was doing. And then in terms of changing the settings, I did show you that as well. Super straightforward. And as I said, I honestly am so excited for this heat press to be able to use it to, you know, do some different things. And they do have quite a bit of different heat presses as well. They have ones that are 8-in-1, 5-in-1, do like mug presses, plates, hats, and they have the different attachment. So I'm gonna put the link in the description to the flat heat press that was sent to me. Okay, and there you have it, guys. My first print and cut t-shirt using my heat press. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.